Hello to all stadium lovers and Barcelona fans. Today we bring you an important update on the progress of the works on the new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. Let's see what's happening on the most talked about construction site of the moment. Progress on the third stand structure. One of the most visible advances in recent times is on the third stand structure. This area is now taking the form of the VIP ring, which will offer a unique experience for elite spectators. Repairs to the entrances and exits and to the existing stands. Meanwhile, the last important repairs are being carried out on the entrances and exits and the steps of the stands, making the stadium more accessible and functional for all fans. This part of the project is essential to guarantee easy and safe circulation on match days. Works on the ground floors and parking areas. An advanced phase is taking place on the ground floors of the stadium and the parking areas. These spaces will offer comfortable access for fans and modern infrastructure for vehicles. Everything is being planned down to the smallest detail for a barrier-free experience. Reinforcement of steel columns. To guarantee maximum stability and safety, the steel columns are continuing to be reinforced with concrete. This process is being carried out in all sectors of the stadium, ensuring that Spotify Camp Nou is a structure that will last for decades. Spotify Camp Nou is being transformed into an architectural masterpiece and an icon for European football. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to leave your impressions in the comments. Thank you for being with us today. Subscribe now and be a part of our stadium-loving family. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update and be the first to explore the secrets, stories, and history behind these colossal structures.